is Around the House with Kay and Tom. This morning I am going to fix an easy chicken casserole for dinner tonight. What you need is 2 cups of chicken. I went to Publix the other day and got me a rotisserie chicken, and I had quite a lot of it left over. So I cut it up into cubes, and it says to have 2 cups of cubed chicken, so I've got that ready. You also will need a cream of chicken. I've got that. You need 1 cup of chicken broth, 2 cans of mixed veggies, a cup of flour, half a cup of butter, and a cup of milk. So let's just get started with this. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm spray my dish. I've got a 9 by 12 casserole dish. Just spray it a little bit. It keeps it from sticking so bad. So it says to mix the chicken, and it's 2 cups of chicken. I have 2 cups of cut up chicken, 1 can of cream of chicken, and again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Hope y'all are having a very good day. And it says 1 cup of chicken broth. Poured a little bit in this can of chicken, cream of chicken, just so I can get all of it out. There we go. Boy, heat that up and you should have some very good chicken soup. Okay. And it says to mix 2 cans of mixed vegetables. I did drain my veggies. 2 cups of chicken is in there, 2 cans of veggies, a cup of chicken broth. That's mixed together. Put this into my dish. Cup of flour, 1 cup of milk, and a half cup of melted butter. So we're going to mix the milk in there a little bit, get it to going. And I melted up a half a cup of butter. When I get the butter, I get the ones that's already in the quarter sticks. So it would take 2 of these to make a half a cup. And I melted a half a cup of butter. Let's get that mixed up just a little bit before I add the rest of the milk in there, so it won't be all lumped up. Heat your oven to 350. Preheat it. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Appreciate y'all watching my videos. If you haven't subscribed, please do join my channels, offer me your comments, and if there's anything you want me to try making, I will. I'm not as good as Tom, and especially with all these Ninja cookers and air fryers and all, so I usually just cook like we did when I was growing up. Okay, that looks pretty much blended in. This is really an easy casserole, and all you do with this is pour it over the top. Hope everybody's having a good day. We've had some rain last night. We're supposed to get more rain tonight, and we definitely need it. I know a lot of places don't, but here in Florida we could sure use the rain right now. Alright, I've got it over the top, as good as I can, it looks like. So we're going to put it in the oven at 350. My stove just went off, let me know the heat is right. And we're going to bake it for 45 minutes. So I've got it all put together. And I'll go over here and we'll put it in the oven for 45 minutes. And if you watch my channel well enough, you know that I rely on my little handy dandy timer So we're going to set it for 45 minutes. And when it goes off, we should have a chicken casserole. I'll get back with you in just a little bit. Okay, I just took this out of the oven. I let it cook for an hour. I first said 45 minutes, and then when I looked at it, it just didn't, it hadn't even got brown in it, so I put it back in there for 15 more minutes. Again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please subscribe and give me your comments, and I hope you enjoy this real quick one bowl, throw together casserole. We will see you again at another time.